Good morning, friends. Today we are going to be doing our sink and float activity, which is number 1 for today. So you should have in your activity bags a bag with some random objects, but you will also need to have mommy or daddy help you get something with water. So you can use your sink and just plug it. You can use your bathtub and put the plugger in. Miss Janet is going to use a clear container, that way we can see if it's going to sink or float, with water in it. You can use a bowl or a large cup as well. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to open my items. I'm going to put them in one at a time. That way we can see. And I'm going to hold this up, and then we can see if it's going to fall down and sink or if it's going to stay up top to float. So my first item is a marble. What happened? It went straight down. So that one sunk to the bottom. How about my popsicle stick? Did you see that, friends? When Miss Janet put that in, I think it's going to sink, and then it comes right back up. So that one's floating at the top, and you can see it in there. And I have a piece of yarn. That one floated. It stayed right there. I have Mr. B's buttons. You see that one? That one sank down right to the bottom with the marble. I have a cotton ball. That one stayed right here on the top too. I have a piece of pipe cleaner. You see it in there? That one's floating. And I have one more item. I have a color crayon. That one went down to the bottom. Oh, you guys see that now? My pipe cleaner that was at the top sunk down to the bottom. It took a little bit of time. So we had the marble, the button, the pipe cleaner, and the color crayon that sank. 4 of my items sank to the bottom. And we had the popsicle stick, the cotton ball, and the yarn. 3 items that floated. If you have any other items at your house, you can feel free to put those in there to see if they're going to sink or float. You can use a feather, a rock. If you have any of the little counters that we've sent home, like last week you had a transportation, we've sent home dinosaurs and butterflies. You can try putting those in there and see if those float. If you have a bead, you can test it out. Let me know if you test out any other objects, what sinks, what floats. Miss Janet's always interested in learning. Thank you, friends. See you on Zoom.